Atiku Abubakar believes in the unification of Nigeria. He knows that without unity, there is no progressing as a nation. To achieve this unity, he understands that we must first plant a seed. Yes, a seed, which stands for unity, security, economy, education, and devolution of power. Through this seed, Nigeria will achieve greatness. In 2023, we need a unifier that understands that our strength lies in our diversity, and in our diversity comes great power. It is time for us to plant this seed of unity, and together, as one people with one future, we will be one country, Nigeria. As one, we can get it done.